Today we learn how to build an interface passive in OSPF. So in this topology, the IP addresses shown are already pre-configured and we can verify them by using show IP interface brief command. Similarly, we can verify the IP addresses on other routers also. Now in this topology, the routing protocol running is OSPF 100. We can verify it by using show IP protocols command. Now in this we can see that the routing protocol running is OSPF 100 and the serial 0x0 interface of router 1 is assigned to area 0. Similarly, we can verify the routing protocol in other routers also. Now coming to the passive interface command is just used to control advertisement of routing information that reduces the consumption of bandwidth. And in OSPF, if we make an interface passive, it will stop sending and receive updates from its neighbor. Now in this topology, in router 2, if we want to make interface serial 0x0 passive, then first we have to move to the configuration mode, then router OSPF 100, and under OSPF we have to write passive interface command. Then the interface which we want to make passive, that is serial 0x0. Now serial 0x0 interface has become passive. That means it will stop sending and receiving update to its neighbor that is connected to serial 0x0, that is router 2. And we can also see this message which shows that the neighborship between router 1 and router 2 becomes down. There is also a command to verify the passive interface, that is show IP OSPF interfaces. This command shows the information about all active interfaces. Now we can see that serial 0x0 interface is up, its line protocol is also up, but there are no hellos received on this interface which is indicated here. Now there is another option to make all interfaces passive. For this we have to move to the configuration mode, then under OSPF 100 we have to write passive interface default, which will make all interfaces passive. Now the neighborship of R2 becomes down with router 1 and router 3 both. And we can verify this by using command show IP protocol. Now this command will show that all interfaces of router 2 becomes passive. So this is how to build an interface passive in OSPF. Thank you.